My friend Marcus is a day trader who's been working Wall Street for 8 years. To set up his first trading account at TD Ameritrade, he needed 2 weeks for approval, $10,000 minimum deposit, proof of income, social security number, bank routing numbers, employment verification, and access only during market hours, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. If he wanted to trade after hours, he paid extra fees and got terrible spreads. If he wanted to trade international markets, more fees, more complexity, more restrictions. The whole system was designed to extract maximum fees from traders, while giving them minimum control. Last month, I showed him Uniswap, a decentralized exchange running on Ethereum. Setup time, 30 seconds to connect his wallet. Minimum deposit, any amount, even $1. Personal information required, 0. No social security number, no bank account, no employment verification, no credit check. Market hours, 24/7, 365. It never closes, never has maintenance windows, never goes down for holidays. Trading fees, a few dollars instead of the $10 to $50 he was paying per trade. International assets, available instantly with no geographic restrictions. His first reaction was complete disbelief. "This can't be real trading," he said. "Where's the account opening paperwork? Where's the compliance department? Who's running this?" Then I showed him the daily volume, $50 billion flowing through the platform, with no central company controlling any of it, no CEO who could shut it down, no board of directors who could change the rules. Pure peer-to-peer trading governed by smart contracts. His mind was completely blown. "This is what trading should have been all along," he said. "Today, you're going to have that same experience and understand why traditional finance is terrified of DeFi." Uniswap is the world's largest decentralized exchange, a DApp where you can trade tokens without any middleman, any central authority, or any traditional financial institution. It processes more volume than many traditional stock exchanges, but it's completely permissionless and runs on smart contracts. Let me show you how radically different this is from traditional trading. Go to app.uniswap.org. Notice there's no sign-up button anywhere. That's your first clue this is different. Click Connect Wallet in the top right and select MetaMask. When you do this, you're giving this website permission to see your wallet address and request transactions from you. But they can never control your funds without your explicit approval for each transaction. Unlike traditional exchanges where you deposit money and they control it, your funds never leave your wallet until you specifically approve a trade. This is self-custody trading. You maintain control at all times. This swap interface lets you exchange any token for any other token. There are thousands of tokens available, more than any traditional exchange offers. Notice there's no account creation, no KYC process, no waiting for approval. Your wallet is your account. These prices you see are real market prices from global liquidity pools, updated every block, about every 12 seconds. These aren't prices set by market makers or specialists like on traditional exchanges. They're determined by automated market maker algorithms that balance supply and demand mathematically. The from field is what you're selling. The to field is what you're buying. You can swap any token for any other token directly. No need to go through a base currency like you do in traditional Forex trading. See this gas estimate at the bottom? This is completely different from traditional trading fees. Gas fees don't go to Uniswap. They go to the Ethereum miners or validators who process your transaction. Beauty is that these fees are transparent upfront. No hidden fees, no spread markups, no mysterious charges that appear later. What you see is what you pay. Beyond simple swapping, Uniswap offers sophisticated DeFi features. Click on Pool to see liquidity provision opportunities. This is where you can earn fees by providing capital to the exchange. Unlike traditional market making that requires millions of dollars and sophisticated technology, anyone can become a liquidity provider with any amount. The charts section shows you detailed trading analytics, price charts, volume data, liquidity metrics. This data is all public and real-time because everything happens on-chain. In traditional finance, you'd pay thousands for this level of market data. Here, it's free. The governance section is where UNI token holders vote on protocol upgrades. This isn't owned by any company. It's governed by token holders worldwide. Community decides how the protocol evolves, what fees to charge, and how to distribute value. This is what decentralized governance looks like in practice. Time to experience this yourself and feel the difference from traditional finance. Complete these 5 steps. Pause the video as needed and take your time. This is your first real Web3 interaction. First, connect your MetaMask wallet to Uniswap by clicking Connect Wallet and selecting MetaMask. You'll see a pop-up asking for permission. Click Connect. Notice how your wallet address now appears in the top right. You've just connected to a billion-dollar financial protocol without creating an account. Second, explore the swap interface by selecting different token pairs. Click the drop-down in the From field and browse the token list. Try selecting ETH to USDC, then change it to USDC to DAI. Then try something exotic like Link to Uni. Notice how prices appear instantly for any pair. These are real market prices from real liquidity pools. Don't worry about making actual trades yet. Just explore how the interface responds to different selections. Third, check out the Pool tab to see where people earn fees by providing liquidity. Click on different pools and notice the APY percentages. These are the annual returns liquidity providers earn. Some of these returns are higher than any traditional bank or investment offers, and they're available 24/7 to anyone worldwide. Fourth, click on Charts and explore the analytics. Look at the price charts for major tokens like Ethereum. See the volume stats. Explore the liquidity data. This level of market data transparency is unprecedented in traditional finance. Fifth, take a screenshot of the connected interface showing your wallet address in the top right and post it in Discord with hashtag #FirstDApp and tell us which token pair surprised you most with its pricing or volume. You've just interacted with a billion-dollar financial protocol without giving any personal information, getting anyone's permission, or trusting any central authority with your money. This is financial sovereignty. Remember Marcus's shock when he first used Uniswap? You just experienced what he felt, accessing global financial markets instantly, without gatekeepers, paperwork, approval processes, or minimum deposits. Think about what you just did. You connected to a financial protocol that processes billions of dollars daily. You explored real market data. You saw live pricing for thousands of assets, and you did it all in minutes without revealing your identity or asking anyone's permission. This is the future of finance, and you're experiencing it firsthand. Traditional exchanges are scrambling to compete with DeFi protocols like Uniswap because they offer better user experiences, lower fees, and more freedom. But they're constrained by regulations, legacy systems, and business models built around extracting fees from users. Uniswap was built to serve users first. In the next video, we'll compare this directly to traditional Web 2 applications, so you can see exactly how revolutionary this shift really is across all industries, not just finance. You'll understand why Web3 isn't just a trend. It's the inevitable evolution of how humans coordinate and exchange value online.